Primary key, subject is DBMS. Primary key, subject is DBMS. Primary key, first of all, definition. Primary key is a column, or group of columns in a table that uniquely identify each row in that table. So primary key cannot be a duplicate meaning. The primary key cannot be a duplicate meaning. Primary key cannot be a duplicate meaning. Primary key cannot be null. 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 So this is the concept of primary key. Primary key is a column or group of columns in a table that uniquely identify each row in that table. Primary key cannot be in duplicate meaning. Primary key cannot be null. So these are the concept of primary key. Primary key is used to uniquely identify. So this is super key. This circle is super key. This is candidate key, and the last one is this is primary key. So primary key is selected from candidate key. Candidate key is selected from super key. So this is the basic set. For example, suppose name of the table is student. Among them, suppose there is a row number, registration number, name, and email ID. You can consider row number is a primary key. Here registration number is also a candidate key. So row number is candidate key, email ID is candidate key. You can consider one of them is primary key. Primary key are not necessarily single attribute. It can be a combination of two attributes. It has a single attribute যেমন আমি road number singly আমি primary key ধরতে পারি, but আমি road number comma registration number থেকেও primary key ধরতে পারি. So it can be a combination of two attributes also. Here suppose the example is student, and it consists of name, role, and marks. Name is A170, B280, C3 90. These are the values tuple. Here two name can be same. Suppose there is a student name Amit. Two name can be same. Two marks can be same. So 70, but two roll number cannot be same. So this is the uniqueness property. So role is a primary key. So role is a primary key. Primary key are not necessarily to be a single attribute. Primary key are not necessary to be a single. Row number আমি পেয়েছি ও টেবিলের মধ্যে থেকে, but আমি can combine together row number, registration number. For example, primary key may not be a single attribute. Suppose the name of the table is customer equal to customer ID, product ID, and quantity. Suppose these are the attributes of the customer table. Create table, SQL command, create table name is here customer, create table customer, and the attributes are CID number. Suppose it is size is 20. Here product ID, it is also a number, size is suppose 10. Quantity is a number, quantity is also a number, it is suppose 30. Now is suppose 30. Now suppose we have to consider CID and PID both are primary key, then we can say primary key within the bracket CID comma PID. so একটা টেবিলের মধ্যে দুটো অ্যাট্রিবিউটকে আমরা প্রাইমারি কি ধরতেই পারি। তো প্রাইমারি কি নট নেসেসারিলি যে সিঙ্গেল হতে হবে এরকম কোনো কনসেপ্ট নেই, ইউ ক্যান কনসিডার মেনি অ্যাট্রিবিউট অ্যাজ এ প্রাইমারি কি। সো দিস ইজ প্রাইমারি কি।